Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Drive for file storage easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in using your Google account credentials. If you don't have an account, click on Create Account to set one up. Once you're logged in, you will see your Google Drive interface. To upload files, click on the plus new button on the left side of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select File Upload to upload individual files. Choose the files you want to upload from your computer and click Open. You can also select Folder Upload if you want to upload an entire folder at once. After the upload is complete, your files will appear in your drive. To organize your files, create folders by clicking the plus new button again. Select Folder from the drop-down menu and enter a name for your folder. You can move files into the folder by dragging and dropping them. Alternatively, right-click on the file, select Move to, and choose your folder. To share a file or folder, right-click on it and select Share. Enter the email addresses of the people you can adjust their permissions by clicking on the drop-down menu next to their email. They can be given viewer, commenter, or editor access. Once you're done, click Send to share the file or folder. To access your files from other devices, just log in to your Google account. You can also download files by right-clicking on them and selecting Download. For additional features, explore options like Get Link for. Google Drive also offers integration with Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. This integration allows you to create and edit documents directly within Drive. Make sure to regularly check your storage space at the bottom left of the screen. If your storage fills up, consider deleting unnecessary files or upgrading your plan. Now you know how to use Google Drive for efficient file storage and sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.